Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we will study how to use a drill down variable in Power Query. We'll try to study it by solving a small challenge. The first challenge is create a drill down variable for the cell B2. The second challenge is list donors whose total donations are greater than or equal to the value in cell B2. So here you can see that we are having two sheets 2023 in which we have donor names and the amount donated, 2024 donor name and the amount donated. Now what we want to do is we want to list all those donors whose total donations means donation in 2023 and 2024 are greater than or equal to the value in cell B2, and you should later on be able to even change this value and see whether the donor list is getting updated. And the third challenge is list all those donors who are present in both 2023 and 2024. Example, here you can see there is a donor called as Sylvester who has donated multiple times in 2023, and you can see that he is also present in 2024. Like this there could be many donors, so we want to list all those donors who have donated in both 2023 and 2024. So let me show you how you can resolve this challenge. So first we want to create a drill down variable for B2. So we right click over here and we select get data from table/range. Then we click on OK. Now this starts Power Query, and I'll right click on this and select drill down. Now the variable is created and I'll give the variable the name as DTH. Okay, that is the donor threshold, and we'll hit enter. After that I'll click on file and select close and load to. Here I'll select only create connection and click on OK. Then I'll remove the filter button from here. So we have mastered the first challenge, that is drill down to create a variable in B2. So we have created a variable in B2. Now we want to list all those donors whose total donations are greater than or equal to the value in B2. So we'll first go into the 2023 sheet and convert this into a table. So I will select insert table and click on OK, and I'll give the name to this table as donors 2023, and I will hit enter. Then I'll go to 2024. Again I'll select insert table, OK, and I'll give this name as donors 2024. Hit enter. Now I'll come to the sheet donors 2023, right click on it and select get data from table/range. And then I'll click on file, close and load to, and just create a connection. Then I'll come to 2024, right click over here, get data from table/range, and then I'll click on File and select Close and Load To and only create connection. So now we have the variable DTH and we have two connections. Now we'll create the first query in which I want to find out all those people whose donation value is greater than or equal to value in B2. So I'll double click on any of these queries and then I'll select append queries and I'll select append queries as new. So I want to append two tables, donors 23 and donors 2024, and I will select OK. So a new query has been created with the appended data from both 2023 and 2024. Now I would like to group them donor wise. So I'll select group by and I'll select donor and I'll give the column the name as total amount, and I want to sum the amount column and click on OK. So now I have all those donor names and their sum amount from both the sheets. Now I want to filter all those people who match with the variable DTH. So I will click on this drop down, number filters is greater than or equal to, and here I give some random amount like 1200 and click on OK. Now in this query over here where 1200 is given, I'll double click over here and I'll use the variable DTH and I'll hit enter. So all those people whose sum total of donation is greater than or equal to 850, that is the value of DTH, would be shown over here. Now I can select close and load to bring that value. So I will select add this data into this sheet. Select how would you want to view this data. So I'll select new worksheet and I'll select OK. If you want, you can cut this data and bring it over here just for you to check, and just paste it and drag this here. Now instead of 850 we'll change it to 1200 and hit enter, and then right click here and refresh. So all those people whose donation threshold is greater than or equal to 1200 would be shown. Let's try one more time. 2000, hit enter, right click here, refresh. All those people whose donation threshold is greater than or equal to 2000 would be shown over here. So we have conquered the second challenge as well. Now I want to list all those donors who have donated in both 2023 and 2024. So again I'll double click on any of these sheets to come back over here, and I'll click on donors 2023, and this time I will select merge queries. And before selecting merge queries, what I'll do, I'll duplicate donors 2023 and I'll duplicate donors 2024. Now I go into donors 2023 and I don't want this amount column, so I will remove it, and from here I don't want to see duplicates, so I'll select remove duplicates. Same way I come to donors 2024, I don't want the amount column, so I remove it, and in the donor column I'll select remove duplicates. Now I will select merge queries, and in merge queries I'll select merge queries as new, and I want to merge donors 2024 with donors 2023, and the common field is this, and I want to make a inner join and select OK. Now here I don't want the table column, so I'll right click and remove, and these are the list of people who are common in both donors 2023 and donors 2024. So I can select close and load, and this will come into a new sheet wherein I have the common people in both 2023 and 2024. So we have conquered the third challenge as well. So friends, in this video tutorial, we have seen how to create a drill down variable. We have also seen how to find all those donations who are greater than or equal to this drill down value, and we have also seen how to list donors who are present in both 2023 and 2024. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.